Hey guys, it's Team AJ. Hope you guys are all doing well. We are bringing you along for 4 days here at Walt Disney World. And where are we tonight, hon?
We are at Disney Springs to see the drone show.
Yes, 800 drones are going to be flying behind us very, very soon. Tonight we are showing you the Disney Dreams That Soar presented by AT&T. So we are on the waterfront and right outside of Haleo, and it's going to be a great night. Every single person that has seen this show says it is truly magical. So hopefully they keep it longer than September 2nd because everyone seems to love it so much. We're excited to bring this to you at Disney Springs here, and it's going to be a great night.
Come along with us as we show you the beauty in the sky and only the magic that Disney creates here at Disney Springs in Disney World. Let's go.
Good evening. Right here, underneath the starlit sky, a timeless adventure is about to unfold. Inspired by the magic makers, heroes, and dreamers who have come before. Now, unleash your heart, let your imagination fly, and discover just where you'll go as we present Disney Dreams That Soar.
want to learn the ways of the Force and become a Jedi like my father.
You've taken your first step into a larger world. That's no moon. It's a space station.
All wings report in.
There's 5 standing by.
Fire! Coming in, point 3!
Watch that crossfire, boys!
Watch it, you've got one on your tail!
I have you now.
Primary ignition.
Use the Force. The Force is strong with you.
You're all clear, kid. Now let's pull this thing and go home.
The Force will be with you. Always.
Hello, I am Baymax, your personal healthcare companion. Baymax, wings. Thrusters. Flying makes me a better healthcare companion.
Hey, you know what? There's another name you might know me by.
Welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy.
Dance off, bro!
Come on, Drax. Dance.
There are 2 types of beings in the universe. Those who dance and those who do not.
I'm gonna die surrounded by the biggest idiots in the galaxy. Did that look cool?
Yeah, that looked cool.
To infinity
And beyond!
There's a place beyond the sky where your stories come alive. And with a leap of faith, you may find your spirit guide.
A whole new world full of hope, where new beginnings never get old. You can light the way that seems impossible.
If you're feeling small, you can fly away. A new adventure's coming your way, and tomorrow's always brighter than yesterday. Let's go
Right where you wanna be,
where the magic feels like family, and you can wish upon a star and never look back. Let's go to a place where dreams come true. You can be you and the hero too. This is the moment we've all been waiting for. Just imagine where you go with dreams that soar.
use the thunder in your heart to prepare you for the dark. Because the path you take ends far from where you start. When it's time to spread your wings, you'll see that everything's in reach. You can change the world if you just believe. If you're feeling small, you can fly away.
A new adventure's coming your way,
And tomorrow's always brighter than yesterday.
right where you wanna be, where the magic feels like family, and you can wish upon a star and never look back. Let's go to the place where dreams come true. You can be you and the hero too. This is the
of Disney Dreams That Soar, presented by AT&T. Wasn't that amazing? 800 drones were flying in the Disney skies. That was just so magical. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Guys, we're going to link all the information below about the show. When you come to Disney, come to Disney Springs and check this out. Right now it's on through September 2nd. We love you guys. So my husband's going to say,
let
the good times roll. And right above here, we're going to list our Disney playlist because we're Disney pass holders. We do come here often and we hope you enjoy our Disney content as well.